elements pala kami. Calculus, chem, stats? Nakakainis stats na naman! Ayaw ko talaga ang stats. Pinapahanap ko pa ako ng value. Competitive value, p-value. Ganun na lang ba talaga ako walang ka-value-value? Ganun na lang ba talaga ako walang ka-value-value? Inaano ba kita stats? Wala namang ganyan ano. Hirap na ako. Hirap na ako. Hirap na ako. May patistes ka pa ng relationship. Habang ako, walang ka-relationship. At ito pa, sa stats, mas mabuting ma-reject. Reject. Hashtag rejected. Ewan ko na reject na lang ako parati. Nawawalan ako ng jowa stats. Maawa ka naman sa akin. Isap ka naman oh. Please lang. Pero, stats pa rin ako. Alam niyo kung bakit? Kasi stats what makes you happy. O ito, turuan ko na kayo kung paano mag-stats para maramdaman niyo ang nararamdaman ko.
We have here two variables, male and group. Having 30 participants, 1 to 15 are pre-test and 16 to 30 are post-test. Now, we move on to variable view. For male, set measure to scale. For group, under values, set 1 for pre-test and 2 for post-test. Now set measure to scale. Now back to data view, click Analyze, then compare means. Next is proceed to independent samples t-test. Males for test variables and group for grouping variable. Now set value 1 for group 1 and 2 for group 2. Click OK, then you'll have your results.